I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 42. In most underdeveloped countries, development plans do not achieve their objective due to A. Poor coordination between local and national government, B. Exportations of more primary products, C. Lack of educational institutions in those countries, D. Urban-rural migrations of citizens. So we are looking at the reason why most underdeveloped countries do not achieve their development plans, why their development plans do not come into fruition. So we're looking at those factors that limit these plans from achieving their objective. Now, option A talks about poor coordination between the local and national government. Now, this is a significant problem as to why underdeveloped countries do not achieve their objective. Now, this is because this is due to the fact that cooperation is essential for any form of development. Now, the local and national governments need to be in sync, need to coordinate properly in order to establish policies and also programs that will favor the economy and will also favor development plans. So synergy between the local and national governments is important, very, very important, if any form of development is to take place. So B is exportation of more primary products. Now, this is not exactly a major, cannot be classified as a major reason why development plans do not achieve their objective. In fact, exportation of more primary products could even enable development, as it will serve as a significant source of revenue for the country. So exportation of more primary products, despite the fact that yes, if a country does not export enough of its primary products, it may not develop. You can't really classify it as a major reason why development plans do not achieve their objective. Now, you also have C, which is lack of educational institution in those countries. Education is, of course, very important. However, lack of educational institutions cannot exactly be classified as a major reason why development plans do not come into fruition, as development plans coming into fruition heavily relies on the government of such countries and not the educational institutions. Now, option D, which is urban-rural migration of citizens, could also be a problem. However, it is also not considered a major problem because urban-rural migration of citizens cannot be directly linked to development strategies not achieving their objectives. So migration cannot be classified as a major problem. So from the analysis we've done of the four options, we see that the major reason why development plans may not come to fruition in underdeveloped countries is because of poor coordination between local and national governments, which is option A. So thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.